Very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you have seen the video of coal and you might have made the notes also. So today we will discuss about petroleum. So first we will see what is petroleum and from where this word has been derived. So let's see, first of all we will talk about that petroleum. It has been made from two Latin words. First is petra, which means rock, and oleum, it means oil. Thus petroleum, it is the oil which has been obtained from the rocks and basically from the sedimentary rocks of the earth. Therefore it is called mineral oil also. Technically, if we speak about petroleum, it is an inflammable liquid that is composed of hydrocarbons which constitute 90 to 95% of petroleum, and the remaining is chiefly compound which contain oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur also. Now we will see what are the uses of petroleum. You all have seen that vehicles you are having at your home, they all run with the help of petrol only. So petroleum and petroleum products, they are mainly used as locomotive power, means they have revolutionized in transportation on land, but even not only on land but also on the air as well as on water. If we talk about their transportation, they can be easily transported from producing area to consuming areas with the help of tankers, and sometimes more conveniently with the help of pipeline also. Secondly, use of petroleum, it emits very little smoke and it leaves no ash. इसके जब ये emit होता है तो कोई राख या कोई ash नहीं होती है, and can be used to the last drop also. It provides the most important lubricating agents, and that lubricating agents is used an important raw material for various petrochemical products. Number 3, petroleum is the main source of many products like petrol, kerosene, diesel oil, paraffin wax, vaseline, benzene. These all are the many products which are the source of the petroleum itself. Then petroleum is used for making paints, medicines, plastic and fertilizers also. And last but not the least, it is the most important raw material for chemical industry. If we talk about petroleum's distribution, as we are studying the Indian geography, so we will talk about its distribution in India only. So in India, it imports about 2/3 of its crude oil requirement. India itself produces 5%, only of the 5% petroleum reserves. Means in India, the petroleum oil is not produced in much quantity. But exploration and production of oil and gas is very critical for India, energy security and economic growth. If we talk about its first production in India, let's talk about its first production. Oil was first discovered in India at Makum in northeast part of Assam in year 1867. Later on, many oil producing areas were also discovered in India, also in the different parts of the country. In order of importance, the main area of mineral oil deposits are: number 1, name of Mumbai offshore sea, it comes over here. Then Digboi, Rudrasagar, Nunamati in Assam. In Gujarat, if you talk about Ankleshwar, Koyali, Kalol, Nagaon, these are the important oil fields, and others are Kozamber, Mehsana, Dholka, Lunj. So these are the important areas in India where we can find the major oil fields. Okay, so onshore, so there are some onshore also and there are some offshore also. So first we will talk about the onshore oil fields in north part of India. In Assam, as I told you, Digboi, it is the oldest field, and dear students, this question can come sometimes in 1 or 2 marks also, that which is the oldest onshore oil fields in India. So you will write the answer Digboi, and sometimes it also comes in map also to label, so please pay attention. that in Assam there are Digboi, which is the oldest oil field in India. It has been established in the year 1866. Then Maran, Rudrasagar, Galeki, Hurigjan. These are the other oil fields or onshore oil fields in northeast part of India. In Nagaland also we can find out somewhere. In Arunachal Pradesh also there are some onshore oil fields. Then onshore oil fields in the western part of India. Just now we have talked about the northeast part. Now we will talk about the northwest part or simple western part of India. So we can say Gujarat, Kalol, Nagaon, Kathna, Waivel, Barkaul, Dholka, Mehsana, Ahmedabad, Sannad. These are all the fields where we can find on the western part of India. Now we will talk about the onshore oil fields in the South India. In Godavari Basin and Kaveri Basin, it have been became prospective oil field of India. Oil field are at the Kovilapal. Gas hydrates are crystalline solids. In we can see Mumbai city also, Sagar Samrat. Then we can see it in the Mahanadi Basin, Tripura, Andaman Island, Satpura Range, Vindhya Range and Rajasthan Desert. So these are the onshore oil field in the South India. Okay, now offshore. As I told you earlier also, we have seen first onshore oil fields in India. Now we will talk about the offshore oil fields of India.